I'm going to use this video to explain this website coinmarketcal.com. So what coinmarketcal.com does is that it is a crypto website that's like a crypto calendar that where you can see various upcoming events and news around the crypto world. So you can use this website to analyze the fundamentals of different coins. For example, if a coin has an upcoming news, if the news is a positive one, then there is a very very huge possibility that that coin is going to go up on or before the date of the release of the news. But if the news is a negative one, like if an exchange is going to delist a coin, that news is going to have a negative effect on the coin, and there is a very huge chance, very very huge chance, like 90 something percent, that the coin is going to drop because people are going to be scared. So what this website does is that it helps you to know the fundamentals, the events that surrounds crypto. So on this website you are going to be dealing with some some, how do I call it, some signs. So these are going to help you filter out the strongest news from the one that are not strong. So you can see over here, you can see trending. Anywhere you see this on any of the upcoming events, you know that that's a trending, is a trending news, upcoming news. It means that the news is strong. If you see this one too, it means it's significant, and this one, it means it's an hot news. So but this one controversial, I don't really pay attention to this controversial news. It's usually about the negative side of it, but the positive one that drives price up are these ones. So sometimes you can see significant odds and trending at the same time. Significant odds and trending. Sometimes you might see just significant and odds at the same time. I'm just trying to explain. I will scroll down a little bit and you will get a glimpse of what I'm trying to explain. Sometimes you see significant and odds at the same time. It means that coin, the upcoming news or fundamental is very strong. So what you do as a trader is that you anticipate the news and combine this information with your technical analysis to know when you are going to buy. So what this one actually tells you, what this fundamental analysis here actually tells you, is it tells you what to buy. Then the technical analysis tells you when to buy. So for example, I see a coin, like scrolling down here. You can also search for coin. If you want to search for coin, you can search for coin. So let me scroll down. You can see this one. So this is a trending news, and the coin's name is Carver. It means they are releasing a news, an event on 15th of October. That's today, and the event's name is Harvest. So I won't, because today is 15th already, I won't be paying attention to this kind of coin news. So what you should be paying attention to is something that is at least 1 week and above away from the current date. For example, if today is 15th, as today is 15th, I'm going to be paying attention to news that are going to be released on the 20 something. So for you to find that, you scroll down, you can see this one. This is significant news. You can see it's virtual meetup, something like that. Is significant. It means that this news they are going to release about Bitcoin SV is significant to the coin, or to the coin. So you can be scrolling down to like 20 something. After scrolling through that page, you can go to the second page, because you have news lining up to December. So you can just scroll again to the second page. You can see on the second page, you are seeing on the 15th, which I'm going to move past very fast. Let's go to the fourth page. So on the fourth page, you can see on the 17th, we have a significant news on this coin, SMR Monero. So that's a little bit too close. I won't be looking into that. So I'm going to go towards 20 something. So look at this coin now. Look at this coin. You can see it has a trending and at the same time hot symbol at the top left corner of the news of the event panel. So you can see the coin's name is XSP. That is a swipe. So this coin is the news is going to be released on the 31st of October. And this coin, the event name is Apple and Google Pay. It means that this coin here, they want to implement Apple and Google Pay into their system, and that's a trending news, and that's an hot news. So what you can do now, you have identified what a coin you can trade on, and luckily the news is not yet, like the news has not been bought in, because it's still far away. Today is 15th and the news is going to be released on 30 something. So then now you know what to buy, you know what coin to buy. Then you move on to your technical analysis and find the level of support for the coin to buy. It's not just that you come here and you just see that this news is trending, is hot, you just buy like that. You can't just buy like that. You have to combine this information you have here. First of all, you know what to buy. Then you go over to your technical analysis, maybe Binance app or TradingView, and you trade the coin. So all you just need to do for you to be able to trade this coin is to search the coin's name on the exchange you want to trade it. Maybe you just type in SSP or you write it swipe. It's going to bring out the coin. So that's it about using this website Coinmarketcal.com to do fundamental analysis.